babudala gye baba bakozesa okunkubira. Funa w'ogiwandiika ngisomere.
Sawa mwana. Lori somo lako kana cha
Mlodi wako sanyo. Na babala bayisewo kulonda.
China ko wende ko katini.
Mlodi wako.
Pola.
kunsindikana.
Tosembera nnyo. Kamera bakiganye.
What is this?
Kakati mwefu waito agenda keleriwa. Anti kati mwefu waito.
Mimi kitu wangu.
Mwefu waito.
My God.
Bani vakansa.
Ano.
Anna. Abato abo ina kya cyo yagala.
Rodi amani amani.
Mwetegereze bulungi.
Moja malizana mumuone. Wewe wakapa tukuagala. Aliwa.
Kwa taziki.
Meyo mtoko muluma. Ayagala tena kuweba.
Well, I've cast my vote now, but I still decry the mess that we have witnessed today. And I would like to appeal to the Electoral Commission, please step up measures so that we organize because right now, when you see what is happening here, what does and that does not portend good for the future of this country. Because it's the will of the people who should determine who should govern this country, how they should be governed, and all the processes and programs should be anchored on this exercise. But right now what is happening here is really deplorable. This is an indictment on the regime which went to the bush to restore the value and sanctity of a ballot paper. What we see here is really absurd. So Ugandans should wake up to the reality that we still have a long way to go to fight for restoration of democracy in this country, fight for the restoration of rule of law, and of course electoral democracy. Because now there is public despondence, there is voter apathy, because people feel like every time they elect, the will of the people is subverted. I hope in this exercise, Mr. Byabakama will uphold the will of the people. I hope and pray they don't tamper with the results and they declare myself Wago as the leader.
Linnya motoka kati oye nnyo haya hata hakuna shida Udava.
Chiverenga chiri kurofu nienda maso programs zekubateekateeka era tujja kuzibatunyola
olowooza bannayuganda tebatidde amagye amangi agali mu nguudo n'embuzi wamu
nga bwe tugambye nti ebyokulonda bannayuganda bagenda bibatama amagye mangi ebyokulonda bikyusibwakyusibwa polling stations njereere bannayuganda tebakyalaba valiyu mu kalulu ate ne bamaze okulonda mwami Museveni n'abayombesa nti mu abaganda lwaki mwawadde Bobi Wine kakati abantu beebuuza bo tebalina ddembe lyabwe kusalawo.
Lodimaya nga tumaliriza bannayuganda beeraliikirivu olwa abantu abangi abagenda bakwatibwa ate tetamanya gye bazze.
Ensonga ezo zonna tugenda kukola ekisoboka okulaba nti abantu baffe bonna abasibiddwa mu bifo eby'enjawulo bateebwa kubanga ddembe lyabwe ate babasibidde lwe bateebwa.
Tukwagaliza buwanguzi Wago amaze okuba akalulu ke amaze